Okay, so you should have all of your patterns inside of your 10 artboards. Now we need to think about the professional part or the presentation part of the rubric, presenting your things so they look nice, look professional, look clean, and that means making sure your pattern is centered perfectly within your artboard. So with my first pattern active, I'm going to hit Command 0 to zoom in on that artboard. And you notice I have these little tiny ellipses up here, and at the bottom they're cut off. On the left I got these little ones sticking out, but it's not quite the same over there. So I want to center that up. So I'm going to click on this, and I'm going to right click, transform, and move, which is Shift Command M to make things faster. So Shift Command M, and we want to move. And we want to turn off transform objects, okay? And you might want to move this out of the way. I can hold spacebar. Whoops. I just accidentally turned that back on again. We'll worry about spacebar in a minute. But we want to be able to see the edges, so you can actually put it right in the middle is fine, just so you can see the edges. And we have horizontal. So if I do, and this seems weird, horizontal's right, left to right, but I need to hit the up or down arrows. And I'm going to hit the up arrow until the left and the right look about even. Alright, so if I look, I don't know if we're going to quite get there. Not quite just the way that it's offset, but something like that where these big circles are kind of cut in half, okay? Then on the bottom and the top, let's cut these so that they're cut in half. So that's going to be vertical. So I'm going to double click in there, and then I'm going to up or down arrow just until visually it looks like that and that are cut about the same. Get it close, click OK. Then I can hold spacebar and I can just go straight over to this other one. I can click on it, Shift Command M. Alright, I have horizontal selected, up or down arrow. Again, looking at the big elements, which are the circles, the big circles or the big ellipses. I'm going to kind of eyeball it like that. Vertical, I'm going to double click, and then again just move it till it's nice. Command Option 0 to zoom out. Once you have all of them centered, then click on each one and do File, Export, Save for Web, JPEG High, and save them out like you normally would. And pick your 10 best. Maybe 5 black and white, 5 in color. It's up to you. Pick your 10 best to put onto Behance.